on, guys? Today is the day of finishing the clutch in the Miata. I mean, hopefully, we definitely will. I got the power washer to spray the transmission, rear main seal, zip ties, exhaust gasket. I am on the way right now to Walmart to grab some transmission fluid, and then that's about everything I need, and we'll just wrap it up. It should be pretty easy, so I guess we'll see you guys at Walmart. Alright, looks like this guy is mounting up his intercooler, but got everything here. Gonna power wash my transmission because it's disgusting.
We'll make America great again.
Here we go, here's the transmission. This is just how we're gonna throw it in. It's pretty clean. Then over here, these guys are putting a turbo manifold in through the bottom for the E36. Let's see if we can see on top. All right, well, we ran into a little bit of a delay. Keenan had to put on his turbo manifold, but that's no big deal. We're about to push the Miata back in, throw it all in, and hopefully we can finish it tonight, and hopefully I can finish my exhaust rattle, or Jonas could fix up my exhaust because it rattles a little bit, but that might be tomorrow. There he is right there. I don't know if you see him. He's pretending to throw some shit at me, but it's going smooth.
These are the 11?
Damn. Boosted.
The 11 or the bigger ones?
It's all of them pretty much.
Alright, so it is on the lift. I'm about to put the transmission in, new clutch, all that jazz. Alright, we're gonna grab this main seal out. It's all leaking here, so we're gonna pull that out, RTV this, redo that first. Alright, so we're putting in the new rear main. I just cleaned it all up in there with the razor and right here. And Jonas got the gasket off. We're using the new ones now. Alright, rear main is in. We just torqued down the flywheel. Just gonna put on the clutch and the pressure plate now. Just walking around. Look at this Caterpillar on the RPF1. Alright, so here's the old clutch on my car. Keenan's gonna use it as a frisbee, so
You know,
we'll see how that goes.
I played ultimate frisbee in college.
You don't want to take out a mailbox. Oh my. Oh! He cut his finger.
Oh.
Dude, the carbon Kevlar.
The form, I think the form is what screwed him up.
You should have threw it that way.
I don't want to end up cutting my fucking self now.
I just hold the clutch, just straight clutch.
What'd you hold this?
I held it like...
Because I don't want to make the same...
like this.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Thing's awkward to throw.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna play frisbee with my old clutch. That was a good throw, dude. Someone could have caught that.
That one did. I don't want to be on the receiving end of that.
Alright guys, the tranny is in the car.
The train is in the car.
You heard it here, so we're bolting up the PPF, gonna wrap all this shit up, throw it on the drive shaft. And honestly, it's just the exhaust and we're done. So it's a pretty easy job. Alright, we're totally done with the transmission. Right now, fixing this exhaust so it doesn't rub anymore. I just cut it up. Jonas is gonna weld it up for me, and then we're gonna throw it back in. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate in the car.
No, I can't do it.
All right, what's going on, guys? I don't really know where I left off the other night with this car, but as you can tell, it's done. I'm driving it. The 6-puck is completely different. Obviously, it's gonna be a big change, but this clutch is pretty much either on or off. The pedal's really stiff, and it feels like I got a race car now, which is kind of cool. But I mean, driving around is a little bit harder, but you know, it's a drift car, so whatever. But I'm just trying to break it in right now. I'm at 30 miles right now on the trip, and I'm just gonna try and put as much on before Lebanon, because Lebanon's tomorrow. But Lebanon is is like 70 miles away from me too, so I'm not too worried about it. And I've been doing like a lot of city stop and go driving like I am right now. So I think we'll be good. Alright guys, as you saw, this car's done. It looks disgusting. There's handprints and shit all over it. But looks like I'll be making it to Lebanon after all. So if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.